Welcome to the eSignature module, your secure and seamless solution for digital signing. In this walkthrough, we will explore the organization settings feature. This intuitive functionality lets you configure core organizational details, including organization name, default email address, time zone, logo, and additional demographic. To begin, click the gear icon at the top right of the module. Then select Organization Settings from the drop-down. This opens the configuration page. Please note, the system's default email is contracts@waymore.io, which can be customized through email settings. Email settings enables you to define the mailbox used for sending contracts. To update it, go to Email Settings on the left pane under Organization Details. Click Add, enter the desired email address and display name, then click Add button. A verification passcode will be sent to the entered address. Enter the passcode in the verification field and click Verify. Once verified, the new email becomes your default sending mailbox. After verifying the email address, now you need to set the email address active. Once activated, you will see a toggle button turns on. Now, after configuring the mailbox, select Organization Details from the left pane. You will see the updated email address reflected here. Now, you can proceed to add other organization details such as name of the organization, address, logo, and time zone. After updating the organization details, ensure to click Save. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more WayMore tutorials. And remember, with WayMore, you achieve way more.